Prepare the parts and tools needed for installation. Install the support frame of the paper take-up system. Tighten the screws. Repeat the same operation on the other side. Tighten the screws. Install the connecting rod. Tighten the screws. Do the same on the other side. Assemble the paper receiver. Use the connecting rod to attach the paper receiver fixture. Secure it onto the support frame. Install the tension adjustment screw. Unscrew the screws. Install the roller into the take-up reel. Tighten the screws. Connect the power supply and the take-up motor. Turn on the power switch. Turn on the shake powder speed control switch and set it to 4050. Turn on the powder speed control switch and set it to 4050. Turn on the take-up motor to forward rotation. Turn on the heating switch. Lift up the paper feeding platform.